Good morning, dear students. Yesterday we have learned about Kalpana Chawla and her life. And today we are going to discuss the fourth chapter, which speaks about Kalpana Chawla and her space mission. So let us read the chapter and understand the lesson. Chapter 4: An Indian American Woman in Space, Kalpana Chawla. Let us read the chapter. Kalpana Chawla said that she never dreamed as a child in Karnal that she would cross the frontiers of space. It was enough that her parents allowed her to attend engineering college after she graduated from Tagore School. After a Bachelor of Science degree in Aeronautical Engineering, against great opposition from her father, she went for a master's degree to the United States of America. She later earned her PhD in aerospace engineering. Kalpana Chawla was the first Indian American woman astronaut to blast off from the launch pad at Cape Canaveral, Florida, and participate in a successful mission in space. Her family from India cheered along with the staff at the Kennedy Space Center as they watched the Columbia liftoff. Here we see that Kalpana Chawla said that she had never dreamed as a child that she would cross the frontiers of space. What's the meaning of frontier? Frontier means border between something. So, in her childhood, she had never thought that she would cross the frontiers or borders of the space. After successfully completing her graduation from Tagore School, Kalpana was allowed by her parents to attend engineering college. And after completing a Bachelor of Science degree in Aeronautical Engineering, Kalpana wanted to go to the United States of America for a master's degree. But her father was never ready to send her to USA for a master's degree. But due to the strong will and determination of Kalpana Chawla, her father allowed her to go to USA for a master's degree. And there she earned a PhD in aerospace engineering. And Kalpana Chawla was the first Indian American woman astronaut to blast off from the launch pad at Cape Canaveral, Florida, and participate in a successful mission in space. Now, what do you understand by the terms aeronautical engineering, astronaut, blast off, and launch? Aeronautical engineering is the study related with the science dealing with operation of aircraft, or the art of science of flight. Astronaut means a person who travels beyond the Earth's atmosphere, or a person who travels to the space. Blast off means to begin ascent under rocket power. And launch means to release or send off. Today we stop our discussion here, and tomorrow we will continue. Thank you.